Capstone Simulations Guide to Win Top Results, 999. Hello, and welcome back to our Capstone Simulation Strategy Guide, designed to help you achieve top results, including a perfect score of 999. This video focuses on rounds 1 to 3, which are absolutely critical to your long-term success in the game. We'll break down 10 winning tips, step-by-step decisions in marketing, R&D, production, HR, finance, and TQM, Excel-based forecasting techniques and strategies that real winners have used to dominate their industry. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Understand the industry conditions report, 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Before making any decisions, open the industry conditions report. It's the foundation of your early strategy. It shows expected growth rates, segment buying criteria, and ideal positioning for every product. Focus on the segments with the highest growth, often low-end, traditional, and high-end. Download and input this data into an Excel spreadsheet. This becomes your battle map for positioning updates and forecasts. Always refer back to this document before making R&D, marketing, or production decisions. Tip number 2. Use Excel for sales forecasting, 2 to 4:30. One of the most powerful tools you can use is Excel forecasting. Here's how. 1. Copy the actual sales and inventory from last round, from the Capstone Courier. 2. Note the segment growth rate, e.g., 9%, 11%, or 16%, from the industry conditions report. 3. Calculate this year's demand using 4. Expected sales equals last year's sales plus ending inventory, times 1 plus growth rate, 5. Then subtract your current inventory to determine how much you should produce. This simple calculation gives you a precise, data-driven forecast that beats the game's default suggestion. Tip number 3. Smart marketing, promotion and sales budgeting, 4:30 to 6:30. Now, let's set up your marketing decisions. Promotion budget. Spending $1,400 instead of $2,000 still gets you close to 100% customer awareness in most cases. This saves early costs. Sales budget. Adjust this based on your accessibility goals, not blindly maxing out to $2,500. For the low-end segment, don't overspend if 100% accessibility is already reached. Redirect that money to growing segments or new products. Remember, cost saving in early rounds matters more than in later rounds when your cash flow is still limited. Tip number 4. R&D, positioning and launching new products, 6:30 to 9 o'clock. In R&D, focus on 3 things. 1. Update existing products toward the ideal coordinates for their segments. 2. Launch one new product, usually in the high-end or performance segment. This builds long-term sales. 3. Keep MTBF, mean time between failures, within customer expectations, but avoid unnecessary over-engineering. Make sure all R&D updates are completed within this round, not overlapping into the next, or your production will fail. Tip number 5. Production, capacity, automation, and planning, 9 to 12:30. Using the forecast from tip number 2, set your production schedule, SCU, precisely. Use the formula, forecasted sales, inventory equals planned production to increase capacity in advance for fast-growing segments. Raise automation, O traditional to 7.0 or 7.50, low end to 9.0 or 10.0, depending on budget. Why? Because automation reduces labor cost per unit and increases contribution margin in future rounds. Prohibited. Don't overinvest in round 1. Stick to a $44 to $46 million total budget to avoid emergency loans. Tip number 6. HR module, training hours and productivity, 1230 to 1400 hours. Turn on the human resources module if enabled. Here's a quick setup. Training hours. Start with 30 to 40 hours recruiting spend, keep it moderate in round 1, increase later. This helps you slowly increase productivity and reduce turnover, especially useful when automation increases later. In rounds 4 to 8, scale this up to 80 hours and $5,000 per worker if your budget allows. Tip number 7. Finance. Raise funds wisely. 14 to 1600 hours. To finance your early investments, you need funds from 3 sources. 1. Current debt. 2. Long-term debt. 3. Issuing stock. Golden rule: always keep $50 million cash in reserve to avoid emergency loans. Do not rely on profit to fund growth in early rounds, use debt and equity strategically. You can repay later once your margins and sales grow. Avoid paying dividends in early rounds. Instead, reinvest every dollar back into operations. Tip number 8. TQM, Total Quality Management Initiatives, 16 to 1800 hours. If TQM is enabled, allocate $1,000 per initiative to about 10 programs, recommended early picks, benchmarking, quality initiative training, Six Sigma training, concurrent engineering. Each program gives cumulative effects on lowering R&D time, improving margins, and reducing admin costs. You can customize slightly, but keep your total spend between $8,000 to $10,000 in the first 3 rounds. Tip number 9. Set clear strategic goals. 18 to 1930. From round 1, define a clear company strategy. Cost leader with product lifecycle focus. Dominate low-end and traditional. Differentiator with high-end innovation. Win in high-end. Performance and size do not spread across all segments with equal effort. Pick 3 to 4 segments to focus on and align all decisions: R&D, marketing, production, finance, and TQM. Tip number 10. Read the right reports. 1930 to 2100 hours. Winning isn't just about making decisions. It's about reading the right data. Key reports to review each round: Capstone Courier, segment analysis, customer buying criteria, production analysis, finance summary. Know what metrics to track: awareness and accessibility, actual versus forecasted sales, inventory leftover, contribution margin, plant utilization and labor cost. Master these, and you'll know when to pivot and when to double down. Key mindset: learn the game, don't just win it. 21 to 2200 hours. Many students chase the perfect score but miss the learning opportunity. Capsim is a business simulation designed to develop decision-making, data analysis, and strategic thinking. When you understand what to decide, why you're deciding it, what the outcome should be, you're already halfway to a 999 score. Learning leads to winning, not the other way around. Need help? Get one-on-one support, 22 to 2300 hours. If you want direct assistance or a personalized guide for your team, feel free to contact us. Email wincapstone2012@gmail.com. White heavy checkmark. We offer 24/7 WhatsApp Q&A, review of your round 1 to 8 reports, support with Excel forecasting tools, customized guidance based on your team strategy. We've helped dozens of teams score above 990 consistently, and we're here to help you do the same. Real results. Case study snapshot. 23 to 2400 hours. 30. In a recent team simulation using this exact strategy, sales increased by 33%, market share jumped from 18% to 32%, stock price skyrocketed from $34 to over $130, net profit passed $50 million by round 6. These results are not by luck. They come from disciplined execution of everything we covered today. Conclusion. Recap of the winning formula. 2400 hours. 30, 25:30. Let's recap the winning strategy for Capsim Capstone 2024/2025. 1. Analyze industry conditions. 2. Forecast sales using Excel. 3. Spend smartly on marketing. 4. Adjust R&D and launch new products. 5. Set exact production plans. 6. Manage HR and automation upgrades. 7. Finance investments with balance. 8. Invest in TQM smartly. 9. Stick to your strategic focus. 10. Read reports and adapt every round. You are now ready to win Capsim with confidence. Remember, strategy beats luck. Analysis beats guessing. Discipline beats panic. Free Capsim guide and free support for round 1 and round 2, email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com. New winning guide and tips equals https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck from the Win MBA season team. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your team. Let's go win that 999. Rocket.
High sales and very high sales you can see, and also stop price going up to the top, right? It will go up very fast. After 8 rounds the result will be like this. You see, after 8 rounds, when we have the right strategy, we will get the top sale and top profit going up like this. 5, 6, 7 and 8, round 4 we start going up, and here we get 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, the stop price going very fast after round 4. From round 4 to 8 we leave the game. So remember, understand I show you the strategy, and then you can understand the decision and the meaning after any decision using the data. So each round winning the game is very important, but understanding the game is also equally important. You need to understand what decision to make. I have shown you, right? And what part of the report to read, which part of the report more important than the other. You win 15%. You need to understand how to update the product. I just show you, right? What is the long-term strategy? We developed 3 new products. How to set prices, comparing the price of competitors, right? And how to calculate the sales forecast and sell the inventories. You win 80%. And also I show you how to set decision for production, increase the capacity, increase automation. How to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. Now you win 99%. If you need the support for 8 rounds, so you can view and learn with the top result. And also if you require the decision for each round, understanding and explanation, you can send the email to, or you get the WhatsApp to support 24/7. You can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. Thank you. Check the other video for the update winning guide and tip. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.